Aero India 2021 was quite a show by HAL. From Tejas MK1, MK2, TEDBF to AMCA, the Aero India 2021 was power-packed with India's future fighter jets. However, the CATS or Combined Air Teaming System was one program that was a real showstopper, and it won appreciation from entire world and aerospace sector. The unique thing about this system is that no country in the world is yet working on such system, and India will be the first country to develop this futuristic technology. Under CATS program, HAL is developing different types of drones or UCAVs, each specialized in special functions and controlled centrally and work together in tandem to become infallible weapon. Today, we are going to discuss in detail about each component being developed in CATS program. CATS or Combined Air Teaming System is the next generation advanced air warfare system. HAL is developing this program in partnership with Bengaluru-based startup Newspace Research and Technologies. It is going to be a combination of manned and unmanned platform which works in amalgamation for deep penetration strike. Tejas will be the obvious choice for manned platform. The unmanned platform consists of many UCAVs which will act as a wingman to the manned fighter or mothership. These UCAVs can protect the mothership from enemy attack and can also engage into attack missions. HAL CATS program is primarily going to consist of 4 components. First, we'll talk about the CATS Warrior Wingman drone. CATS Warrior is going to be a UCAV controlled by mothership. It follows a semi-stealthy design and will have very low radar cross-section, because of which it will be difficult for enemy defense system to detect it. The CATS Warrior can cruise at a speed of Mach 0.7 to Mach 0.8 with a range over 800 kilometers and endurance of 80 minutes. It has a payload capacity of 250 kgs, which can further increase in future. The Warrior drone will have an internal bay where it can carry 2 SAW smart anti-airfield weapons for ground attack. It will also carry next generation close combat missile for air-to-air engagement and in self-protection role. The missile is under development by MBDA and Bharat Electronics Limited. Next, we'll talk about the CATS Hunter. CATS Hunter is going to be an air-launched, low-observable, high-precision cruise missiles. It will be launched from the mothership. CATS Hunter will be integrated with advanced navigation technology and will perform roles similar to Scalp missiles in Rafale fighters. The missile is going to have a range of 200 plus kilometers and weight of 600 plus kgs and can carry warhead of 250 kilograms. The Hunter missiles are expected to be more stealthier in design than BrahMos missiles. It will be integrated with Indian Air Force existing fighters such as LCA Tejas, Mirage 2000 and Su-30 MKI. It can further be extended to upcoming fighters like Tejas MK2, TEDBF and AMCA. The third component in our list is ALFA-S Swarm drones. ALFA-S Swarm drones is going to be most unique feature of CATS program. The mothership will carry a pod and each pod can carry 4 drones with it. LCA Tejas and Su-30 MKI can carry 3 pods with 12 drones and 4 pods with 16 drones respectively. Once the mothership releases the carrier pod, it can itself fly for 100 kilometers. The carrier can then release swarm drones, and each carrier can release 4 swarm drones which can perform air-to-air or air-to-ground combat mission. The swarm drones can further protect the formation from attack of enemy air defenses. India is going to be the first country to develop such futuristic technology. The last in our list is Infinity Pseudo Satellite. Infinity is an ultra-high altitude solar-powered pseudo-satellite capable of remaining in air for over 90 days and cruise at an altitude of more than 65,000 feet to monitor enemy targets. It is designed to be in the class of Zephyr Solar Electric Stratosphere Unmanned Aerial System. Infinity can also relay live video to the ground station during the operations. The infinity drone will have an array of solar cells to power it. The secondary batteries will get charged in daylight to power overnights. The new drone will be equipped with synthetic aperture radar for monitoring activity deep inside the enemy territory. Using its advanced sensors, the drone will be able to coordinate with other Indian drone systems such as Warrior, Loyal, Wingman drone, ALFA-S, Swan drones, and Hunter missiles. It can also facilitate 4G and 5G communications in the remote areas. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.